Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. RoboForm is one of the most trusted password managers designed to simplify how you create, store, and manage your passwords securely. Whether you are running multiple online accounts, managing an e-commerce store, or working with creative tools that require several logins, RoboForm can save you time while keeping your data protected. It automatically fills in login details, generates strong passwords, and stores them in an encrypted vault that only you can access. In this tutorial, you learn how to set it up, use it effectively, and take advantage of its key features. To get started, visit the official RoboForm website and download the version for your operating system. That is either Windows, macOS, or mobile, that is either Android or iOS. Once installed, create your master password, which will be the only password you need to remember. This password encrypts and secures all your saved logins, so it should be long and unique. After signing in, RoboForm integrates with your browser, adding an icon or toolbar button that automatically detects login fields when you visit websites. Each time you log in into an account, RoboForm offers to save the credential. You can then access them anytime by clicking the extension icon and selecting the site from your list. Adding new logins manually is also simple. Click on the RoboForm icon, select Add Login, and enter the website URL, username, and password. RoboForm securely saves this data, so the next time you visit that site, it can fill everything in with a single click. If you are creating new accounts, the built-in password generator helps you create strong, random passwords using numbers, symbols, and mixed case letters. You can adjust the password length or complexity and instantly save it into your vault once used. One of the strongest features of RoboForm is its password sync across devices. By enabling sync, all your passwords or logins stay updated between your desktop, laptop, and phone, meaning you can access them anywhere. To keep your data safe, RoboForm uses end-to-end encryption. Your passwords are encrypted locally before they are stored in the cloud, and only your master password can unlock them. This means even RoboForm itself can't access your passwords. You can also organize your passwords using folders such as social media, business, or personal. This keeps your vault neat and easy to navigate. If you run a team or business, RoboForm has a business plan that allows you to securely share credentials with employees without revealing the actual passwords. You can set access permissions and revoke them anytime. When using RoboForm on mobile, open the app and then unlock it with your master password or fingerprint and enable autofill so it can automatically fill credentials in apps and mobile browsers. This works smoothly across platforms and saves you from typing long passwords on small screens. For extra protection, you can enable two-factor authentication in your RoboForm account, adding an additional layer of verification before accessing your vault. To maintain your security, regularly open the security center within RoboForm. This section analyzes your passwords, identifying weak, reused, or old ones and recommending which to update. Following these suggestions helps strengthen your online safety across all accounts. RoboForm's combination of simplicity and advanced encryption makes it one of the best tools for password management. Once you have set it up and started using it daily, you will realize how much time it saves and how much safer your online accounts will be. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.